Let me show you how to enable the Now Playing feature on a Pixel phone. First thing you need to do is swipe down from the top right and tap the settings icon right at the bottom next to power. Now you may have to swipe down, but here is sound and vibration right here, and swipe down until you find Now Playing. Tap that. And now we have identify songs playing nearby, and the slider is currently off. Tap it to turn it on. You will get a widget pop up. Android System Intelligence. You can either touch and hold the widget to move it around the home screen. You can either add it to the home screen or just cancel. It's up to you. I'm just going to add it for this tutorial. And you'll not see this warning of an app is recording audio. This is just purely because I'm recording this video. Swipe down. Before we go, I want to show you the notifications are on. You can also have the option to enhance Now Playing. Use Google search to identify songs not recognized by your device and provide album artwork. That slider's off, and if you're interested in that, tap the slider to turn that on. And finally, Now Playing history. If you tap it, it does say no songs identified yet, but once songs identified, you should have quite a list there. Tap back, and you can also change the default music player, but that's no big deal. And that's it. That is how you enable the Now Playing feature on a Pixel phone. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have, could you please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and maybe turn on the notification bell to be informed when a new video is live on YouTube. That's all I've got to say for right now. Hopefully see you next video. You take care of yourself. See you soon.